Yo, I'm in Malaysia. They got a bunch of ice cream flavors here, or ice cream brand, or ice cream that you can only find in Malaysia. They don't have it in USA. I'm gonna try a bunch of ice cream for you, and I'm gonna let you know if it's good or not. Stay tuned. They give me a lot of ice cream. Before I start reviewing, I need you to do me a favor. Give me a like, comment, and subscribe. Appreciate it, man. All these different ice creams. Lady told me I was gonna Durian ice cream. Let's try it out. I open it and damn, I can smell the Durian. It's so damn strong. This is strong, yo. Woo! That flavor is strong. You have to like Durian in order to like this. This is real strong. It's not bad, don't get me wrong. I'm not a big fan of the actual Durian. I don't like the texture, but damn, this is strong. I will say it's pretty creamy. It's not like a popsicle. I will get this again. It's not bad. I just got another one. This is mango. Look like a popsicle. Yep, it's a popsicle. Mango flavor. A lot of mango flavor. Basically mango ice. Frozen. Mango juice frozen. Really, really sweet. So if you're hot and you want to cool down, I definitely recommend this one. Mango sticky rice ice cream. Interesting. What is a mango sticky rice ice cream? Let's give this a try.
Just stop your nonsense now.
I taste the mango. I don't know if I taste sticky rice, but this is weird. This is a no for me. I will not get this again. But it's not bad, but I won't get it again. Definitely will not get it again. It's not bad. Milo ice cream. Let's give this ice cream a try. Chocolatey, not bad. Not good, nothing special about it. I'm not a Milo expert, so can't tell you 100% this is like Milo or not. I did have a Milo canned drink earlier today, and it did taste like that. Would I get this again? Probably not. Oh my God, they got all kind of ice cream here. Kit Kat Gold. What the hell is Kit Kat Gold? Kit Kat Pink. Let's give it a try and see how it is. 5.90 ringgit at some convenience store. Taste your Kit Kat. Tastes like strawberry. Actually not that bad. Not for me though, but if you like strawberry, I think you're gonna like this. If you like strawberry Kit Kat, I think you're gonna like this. Because this tastes like a strawberry Kit Kat with ice cream, obviously. It's not bad. I'm just not a fan of strawberry, so I won't get it again, but it was worth trying. This is a local ice cream. It's by Nestle though, hazelnut. I ate a bunch of ice cream here. Some was good, some was decent, some wasn't that great at all. Let's see how this one goes. It's good. It's a hazelnut flavor. Let me explain myself. It's nothing amazing. I mean, we have something similar to this in Houston, in America, but it's pretty damn good. Got some swirl in here, you see it? It's good though, I think this one. Probably one of the best one I had so far. I recommend it. Hell yeah, get this. Bonus, not an ice cream, but it's a drink. I'm assuming it's a Malaysia brand, because I've never seen this before. These convenience stores by Chinatown, they just open 24 hours and they do take credit cards. That's really good. Make sure you get a credit card with no international transaction fee. Saves a lot. Not bad. Pretty refreshing. Nothing to rave about, but it's not bad. I dig it. I needed it. I'm dehydrated right now, man. I hope you like my little ice cream review, man. I hope you like the review. I hope you like the video. Have you tried any of these ice creams? Let me know in the comments below. Some of them was interesting, like that mango sticky rice, man. What the hell? Appreciate you watching, as always. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Help me out, homie. I'm out. Peace.